once again Mike Martin for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the American Trifive Association's California Dreaming Tour, presented by California Car Cover. Our group has pretty much shown up here. I'm just going to kind of do a little walk here and kind of see what we've got so far. We got a 56 four-door sedan here and a 57, and pretty much looks like the majority of the cars are here that are going to be on this tour this year. We work our way here from Petaluma down to Roanoke Park, then down to Pacifica, then to Pacific Grove, on to Cambria, then Ventura, and then terminating our tour in Huntington Beach, California on next Saturday evening. So we're just kind of doing a little walk here, checking out some of the cars, the stuff that we have coming along. The guys are gathering up their goodie bags and their itinerary sheets, and we've got cars, like I said, from all over the place. Like I mentioned before, as South Dakota, Iowa, Michigan, Utah, Texas, and of course our group from California. I'll kind of peer back here at some of the cars we have. We've got so many we can't fit them all, so we've got the whole brewery kind of to ourselves right now, but we're going to have some lunch before we hit the road here. We've got a beautiful 57 four-door wagon, a nice truck, a 56 two-door, nice 60 Impala there, and then we move on down to the last group here. There's our car there, next to a beautiful 55. The Nissan's not part of our group, so no worries there. That's one of the staff's car. So some of the guys kind of like looking over things, wiping things down. We got a great group here. It's going to be a lot of fun, have a lot of good times here, and a lot of stories to tell. We'll be talking to some of the folks along the route as we proceed with this car show. So Chris and I were going to, here's Chris's car right here, and as you see, the windshield decal, we're all going to get that. We were trying to put them on right now, but with the weather we've been having, the stickers are wet, so they're not separating properly, but once it dries out and get down the road a bit, we should be able to get these on every one of the vehicles. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, this is Mike Martin with Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you live from Petaluma at the Lagunitas Brewery Company.